Hey everybody, Life's Journey here. So you guys probably saw my last video and just talking about some things that are going on, but one of those things is selling some bikes. And this one right here, my F900 GS, it's 2025. It is going to a new home. And I think, you know, probably outlined it in that video a little bit, but I haven't been able to ride it. It's only got 950 miles on it. Great bike. Don't get me wrong. It's a great bike. I've had some fun on it, but I just don't have time, or really, I don't know, the need to ride it. And maybe I'll visit the platform again someday. Maybe I'll do something different or whatever, but a solid bike. I've had my reviews on it. I've talked about it. Very capable. It's a BMW. Never had any issues with this bike. Now, granted, you can say, what kind of issues can you have with 1,000 miles? But I've ridden this thing, you know, pretty good off-road, some on the road. And I would tell you that it's a super solid bike. I think the only thing that I've ever talked about, the one downfall, is I still believe that a 3.8 gallon tank is probably the one little maybe blemish that this bike has. Now, that's just me. I think maybe if it would have had a 4.2 gallon, something of that nature compared to some of the others in the midweights, that it would have, you know, been pretty good there. But outside of that, comfort-wise, capability, it's a great bike. You just have to rev it up a little bit more than you do a 1250, obviously. So, but anyway, she's going to a good home. And like I said, been a good bike. Really can't complain about it. And you guys have seen some of the videos. I'll probably throw some stuff in here to talk about that. But yeah, realistically, I just started thinning the herd. Like I said, in my prior video, I talked about some stuff that it really just came down to what I wanted to do riding wise. And when I started this whole journey, basically it was Cap and I, and really didn't have any other bikes. I mean, I had a couple street bikes, some R9Ts, a Bonneville T120, which I might go revisit something of that nature. Because if I ride off-road, it's you know, I've got the GS, I've got a Beta, and this really just, again, it sat. It hasn't been ridden. Realistically, it hasn't been ridden since October of 25, right? Yeah, October of 25, maybe November 25. And so it's been sitting, you know, and you're seeing this video, what, May something? So that tells you it's been sitting for 6-7 months. Really just haven't got it out and taken anywhere. Didn't take it to March Moto Madness. And obviously the winter's not been great here up in Ohio for this past winter. But anyway, so I wanted to share with you, this is, you know, the F900 is going away. Again, no issues with the bike. It's going to go to a good home. New owner is going to be super happy with this bike. And it will be missed because I put a lot of love and care into it. It's got a ton of upgrades to it. I can't even mention, you know, I'll mention half the stuff that I've put onto this thing. But someone's getting a great bike at a great price. They're really going to enjoy this thing. And I think at the end of the day, it'll just be in a happier spot than sitting in my garage and not really being ridden and being used the way it should be. So again, just wanted to do a quick video on the F900, why I'm getting rid of it. It has nothing to do with the bike. It has nothing to do with anything other than the fact that it's just sitting in my garage and not getting the love or the use that it needs to get out in the wild. So again, going to a great home. Hopefully, you know, they'll enjoy it, which I know they will, and we'll go from there. So hope to catch you in the next video, kind of back into the saddle a little bit. Again, just needed to take maybe a little, breather or whatever, but now you go start seeing some videos again and start getting back into it. So again, hit that like, subscribe, notification button. I greatly appreciate it. We're going to get this thing and really start. I'm going to focus on some of the stuff that I like to do and back to some of the riding that I want to do. So, all right, folks, thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. F900, finding a new home. Bye-bye.